The filling kit includes a filling device with a mounted pressure gauge, and a hose with 2 connections. Step 1. Remove the plug and check if the gasket is inserted. Step 2. Unscrew the top handle completely. And screw the side handle completely. Screw the filling device to the thread of the pulsation damper. Step 3. Screw the top handle completely. At this point, you can see the pressure inside the dampener. Step 4. Unscrew the top handle completely. And now unscrew the side handle to purge the gas inside the filling device. Finally, remove the filling device. And replace the plug valve.